So it's morning, guys. We have got our breakfast again in that little stall. And what are we doing today, Jess?
We're going hiking on the Great Wall of China.
And camping.
Camping.
We're going to camp on the Great Wall.
So we're staying there overnight. We are hiking about 2 hours outside the city, so hardly anybody should be there. And we're going to get to a watchtower somewhere on the wall, camp there, and head down tomorrow.
To be a 20k hike, so it's a big one too. Yeah, so we're stoked. So here we go.
Hey.
Munch, munch.
We're going on a hike.
Where are we going, Jess?
We're going hiking for the third time today.
For the third time today?
Yeah, we've told the camera that we're going hiking 3 times. That's his first question. He turns it on and he's like, where are we going today? We're going hiking.
Just film everyone laughing at me. It's good. Well, I'm going hiking. I'm going to break Jess's leg and just leave her here. Where are we going, Jess?
It's very good. I don't know if I could eat. Are you going to eat it?
Peaches for the journey.
Okay. I'll have this one.
So we started our hike now.
Huh?
We're heading out. We just had some peaches from a wee farm at the bottom. Lovely. And our guide, Jimmy, is leading us up to the wall, where we're going to do like a 4-hour hike and then camp out on the wall.
And we have big rest in the hour.
Oh, this is legit, isn't it? Oh. Oh my god. Put your hand up. Welcome to the Great Wall of China.
Stop, I'm getting teary.
Absolutely unreal.
The Great Wall of China.
So this is just one of the most amazing things about what we're doing here. Like we're on the wall, you know, we're on part of the Ming Wall. So it's, you know, 700 years old, you know, a few hundred, I don't know how far it is exactly. Down the wall there's a bit where there's probably thousands of tourists squished up onto one of the brand new walls where it looks beautiful, I'm sure. But they're all squished up on there, and I'm standing here and it's overgrown. There's trees all up and down the wall, everywhere. But then we've got this watchtower here, completely untouched. We're the only ones for miles. And I got my very own watchman. What does your hawk eye see? Mongols on the horizon?
Yes, I see Mongols. I would light the tower with smoke.
Definitely the wild part of the wall.
Your shoe's untied.
Mine is?
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay. 1 sec. My shoes are untied. The Mongols will take advantage.
It's hard. A hard peach. Or mango.
Small doors.
Small doors, yeah. So it is morning and we just spent the night camping on the Great Wall of China. And it's so quiet, all you can hear is the birds and the animals waking up, and that's it. The sun's just coming up over there. It's the wall going all the way along here. Another watchtower. We're just waiting for everyone else to wake up now, but we're going to take some pictures first thing. Then we're going to go for another hike and get some breakfast too, so pretty special night. That was really, really cool.
I feel like Snow White.
So we're just down from our overnight trip on the wall. We have another one to get. We're going to get some breakfast now. We just came from all the way up there, grabbing some breakfast and then heading to the next section of the wall. Breakfast time, Jess?
Breakfast.
I'm so happy with this breakfast. I love dumplings. This corn stuff isn't actually that bad.
It's really, really good with jalapeno.
We've had a solid breakfast out here at Jimmy's friend's farmhouse. I've had like 6 dumplings, so I was going to back down. I think that was a bad idea. It was beautiful. All these persimmon trees everywhere. Great Wall up there again. We were up there this morning. Absolutely gorgeous. Some more towers up that side too. Absolutely beautiful.
Always toilet paper. Always carry it.
It's our second hike today, and we're heading up the Mongolian side. Jimmy says we're having to climb a ladder to get up it, so that should be pretty cool. And a big drive to get here, big windy roads the whole way. I was sleeping in and out of it, just wasn't feeling too good.
Motion sickness.
Just. So this is the North Tower, and it said, you said 1,500 meters, Jimmy?
Yeah.
So it's at 1,500 meters above sea level. On the Mongol side,
I'm on this one.
and we have the Mongol ladder as well. That's so sick.
You want this? Bring this big. Too small.
It's too small for me.
Really?
Yeah, thanks for that.
I'm an American.
I'm an American and an American. Okay. Give us a wave, Jess.
Hi.
Impacts their heads.
I know, it's freezing. So we're halfway up the Oxhorn. No shortcuts, right, Jess?
No shortcut.
There we go. And we were just over here. That was the North Tower where we just finished. We walked all the way along here, over the top of this and up here. We just saw 2 massive snake skins. So I think it's fair to say we're all in imminent danger. I won't hesitate to throw Jessica in front.
Thanks, babe.
I love you, darling. But not as much as I love myself. Doing our bit to help the environment. Got it?
Jealous of them. Give us a smile.
Oh, Ho Chi Minh.
You guys still thinking the same thing? What? Get a picture of everyone in the head.
Absolutely no rush.
So we're about to start what Jimmy says is the dangerous part, where he gives the option for people to not go. It's actually downhill, but it's really flat and it's really steep, so we're being careful. Okay, you going? Be careful, you're okay? Is this where she slipped?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You guys make wrong.
We're about to watch Jimmy just walk down it normally.
From here.
Yeah. Be careful, be careful. So we've reached the end of the old wall part, where there's no renovations done, it's just kind of raw and jumping around through all the ruins and stuff. There is one more tower that's sitting at the end of it, and there's a lady that's selling wishes on her tree, which is pretty brilliant, and a bunch of other random memorabilia. And there's also a sign that says Warren Snacks, last chance for 10 kilometers, which is pretty good marketing. But then this way is
It's very paved. Look at that.
yeah, so it's been renovated a lot. It's still the old wall as such. It's not the part where loads and loads of tourists will go, but it's definitely been renovated so you can walk on it a lot easier. So this is going to be the easy part of the hike for us. But yeah, cheeky wee pair for the hike home from Jimmy's pal. So we're back. We are back from our hike and we're hopping into the back of this guy's truck.